Hello, you must be Tom. I am Mia.
Hi, Mia. Yes, I am Tom. It is my first day.
Welcome to the team. We are very happy to see you.
Thank you. This office is very big and busy.
Don't worry, Tom. It is a very friendly place.
I like your blue t-shirt. It is a nice color.
Thank you. It is my favorite shirt. I wear it often.
Is that a silver bracelet? It looks very pretty.
Yes, it is a gift from my sister. I love it.
Where is my desk? I have some notebooks.
Your desk is right here, next to my desk.
Oh, that is great. We are neighbors now.
Yes, we can talk and work together.
I have a new laptop. Anna helped me fix it.
Anna is great. She is very good with technology.
The table is very clean. I like the lamp.
The lamp is very bright. It helps in the evening.
What do we do first? I am ready to work.
First, I will show you the office. Follow me.
I am coming. You walk very fast, Mia.
I have a lot of energy. I love my job.
I can see that. You have a big smile.
A smile makes the work easy, don't you think?
Yes, I agree. I am less nervous now.
Look at these flowers. I water them every morning.
They are very beautiful. The office smells fresh.
We like to have a nice atmosphere here.
I am very lucky to be here. Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Tom. Let's see the kitchen next.
I am very thirsty for some water.
This is our kitchen. It is small but very cozy.
I see a very big coffee machine. Is it fast?
It is very fast. It makes great espresso.
I love espresso. It helps me wake up.
Me too. I drink 2 cups every morning.
How does it work? It has many buttons.
It is simple. Press the green button for coffee.
And the red button? What is that for?
The red button is for hot water, for tea.
I see. Do we have milk in the fridge?
Yes, we have milk and sugar. Help yourself, Tom.
The smell is wonderful. I feel better.
Coffee is the fuel for our office. It is important.
Do you have snacks? I'm a bit hungry.
We have cookies and fruit. Look in the white box.
Oh, chocolate cookies. They are my favorite.
Take 2, but don't tell the manager.
Your secret is safe with me, Mia.
You are a good friend already, Tom.
This kitchen is very clean. Who cleans it?
We all help. We're a good team.
I will help too. I like a clean kitchen.
That is the spirit. We like helpful people.
Is there a place to sit and eat?
Yes, we have a big table near the window.
The view of the park is amazing. I live there.
Really? You live near the park? That is lucky.
Yes, Anna helped me rent a flat there.
Small world. Now, let's go back to our desks.
Okay, my coffee is ready. Let's go.
Sit down, Tom. Let's open your computer.
It is very fast. I like it.
Now, look at this program. It is for our files.
I see many folders. They have different colors.
Blue folders are for clients. Yellow folders are for plans.
And the red folder, is it for problems?
No, the red folder is for urgent work.
I should check the red folder first then.
Exactly. You're a very smart worker, Tom.
How do I send a file to you?
Drag the file to my icon. It is very easy.
Like this? I am doing it.
Yes, I received it. My screen is blinking.
That is fun. It is like a game.
Work should be fun. That is my rule.
I like your rules, Mia. They are very positive.
Now we must write an email to Emma.
Emma is the manager, right? I know her.
Yes, she is very kind, but she likes reports.
I will write a good report. I have a pen.
Type it on the computer. It is much faster.
My typing is a bit slow, sorry.
Don't be sorry. You will get faster every day.
I hope so. I want to be a great worker.
You are already great. You listen very well.
Thank you, Mia. Your blue eyes are very bright.
Oh, thank you. You are very kind.
I am just telling the truth. You are very cheerful.
Let's finish this task. Then it is lunchtime.
I am ready for lunch. I have a sandwich.
It is 12 o'clock. Time for a break.
Great. I am very hungry now.
Let's go to the big table. I have an apple.
Only an apple? That is a small lunch.
I have a salad too. It is very healthy.
I have a ham and cheese sandwich. It is big.
It looks delicious. Did you make it?
Yes, I made it this morning in my new kitchen.
Is your new kitchen nice? Do you like it?
Yes, it is modern. It has a silver fridge.
A silver fridge? That is very stylish, Tom.
Shoni showed me the flat. She is a great agent.
I know another Anna. She's a doctor.
I know her too. She checked my heart.
London is like a small village.
Yes, it is very strange. Everyone knows everyone.
That is because good people stay together.
I agree with you. I am happy to meet you.
Me too, Tom. You are a very nice colleague.
Do you work here every day, Mia?
Yes, from Monday to Friday. I love my routine.
What do you do on weekends? Do you rest?
I go to the park. I like to take photos.
Photos of what? People or trees?
I love photos of dogs and old buildings.
I live near an old building. It is very beautiful.
Maybe I can take a photo of it one day.
Of course, you are always welcome.
Thank you. Now, let's finish our lunch.
Yes, the sandwich is very good.
Now, we need to print the report for Emma.
The printer is very big. It looks like a robot.
It is a friendly robot, don't worry.
It is making a very loud noise. Is it okay?
Yes, it is just warming up. It needs a moment.
Oh no, the red light is blinking now.
That means there is no paper. Let's fix it.
I have some paper here. Is it the right size?
Yes, this is A4 paper. It is perfect.
I am opening the tray. It is very heavy.
Put the paper inside. Be very gentle.
Like this? Is it straight?
Yes, it looks perfect. Now close the tray.
The light is green now.
Well done, Tom. You are a printer expert.
I am learning fast. Thank you for your help.
Now press Start on the computer screen.
It is working. I see the pages.
Look at the quality. The colors are very vivid.
The report looks very professional. Emma will like it.
We should put it in a yellow folder.
Why yellow, not blue?
Yellow is for plans. This is a plan for next month.
You remember all the colors. You are amazing.
It is easy after 1 week. You will remember too.
I will try my best. I have a good memory.
I believe you. You remembered my bracelet.
Yes, it is very shiny. I like silver things.
Let's take the folder to Emma's office.
Okay, I'm a bit nervous to see the boss.
Tom, you are doing a great job today.
Thank you, Mia. I feel very comfortable here.
We have a big project tomorrow morning.
Is it a difficult task for us?
No, it is just many small files.
I can help you with the blue folders.
That is perfect. I will check the yellow ones.
Should I come early tomorrow?
9 o'clock is the perfect time.
I will be at my desk at 8:50.
You are very punctual, Tom. I like that.
I want to be ready for the work.
Do you have any questions about the office?
Where can I find more white paper?
It is in the cupboard near the window.
Thank you. I will check it later.
You are a very fast learner.
I have a very good teacher.
You are very kind to say that.
It is the truth, Mia. You are great.
We are a very good team now.
I am happy to work with you.
Do you want to see the terrace?
Does this office have a terrace?
Yes, it is on the roof.
That sounds wonderful. Let's go there.
We can see the whole city.
I love big cities and high buildings.
Follow me to the stairs, Tom.
I am right behind you.
Tom, look at the sky. London is very big. It is very beautiful now.
Wow, the view is great. I see the river. I see red buses.
Why did the computer see a doctor? It is a joke. I promise it is funny.
I do not know. Why did it go? Please tell me the answer.
Because it had a virus. Computers need doctors too.
That is very funny, Mia. You are a good friend. You make me laugh.
I have another joke. It is about food. It is very short.
I am listening to you. I like to laugh. Work is finished now.
What do you call a fake noodle? Think about it, Tom.
I do not know. What is the answer? Tell me the joke.
It is an impasta. Do you like pasta? Do you eat it for dinner?
An impasta is very clever. I eat pasta every Tuesday. It is my favorite.
Do you like cheese? Cheese makes food better. I love cheese.
I put a lot of cheese. Yellow cheese is the best. I have it in my fridge.
You have a loud laugh. It makes me happy. You are a nice man.
Thank you, Mia. Your jokes are good. You are very funny.
I like to smile. Life is good with a smile. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. I am very relaxed. I am not nervous now.
That is good for your first day. You are part of the team.
I am happy to hear that. I like this office. I like the people.
We are a good team. We work well together.
I am lucky to work here. You are a great colleague.
Let's go to our desks. It is 5 o'clock. The day is finished.
Okay, let's go. I need my bag. I need to save my work.
Do not forget your cup. We must keep the office clean.
I have my cup here. I am following you. Let's use the stairs.
The sun is very low. The light is golden. It is very pretty.
It is a perfect day. I love the park. I love the sun.
Me too, Tom. Now we finish the work.
I am ready. Let's go.
The workday is finished, Tom. Turn off your computer.
I am saving my file. I want to be ready. Tomorrow is a new day.
Turn off your lamp, too. We must save energy. It is important.
I am doing it now. The room is dark. I am ready to go.
Do you have your keys? Check your pockets. Do not forget your phone.
Yes, I have my keys. Everything is in my bag. I am ready.
Are you tired now? It was a busy day. You worked hard.
I am a little tired, but I am happy. It was a good day.
Go home and rest. You need to sleep. Sleep is good for you.
I will sleep 8 hours. Dr. Anna told me that. She is right.
Do you take the bus? The bus stop is near. It is very close.
No, I am walking. My flat is near the park. I like to walk.
Walking is very healthy. The air is fresh now. It is a cool evening.
The sky is orange. It is very beautiful. I like the colors.
It is a great evening. I am taking the train. My house is far.
Have a safe journey, Mia. The station is busy. Be careful there.
Thank you, Tom. You were a good student today. I am happy.
You were a great teacher. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the jokes.
See you tomorrow at 9. Do not be late. We have a project.
I will be here early. I am very punctual. I promise, Mia.
I am waving goodbye. Have a good dinner. Eat some pasta.
I am waving back. I will cook pasta. I have cheese too.
That is a good plan. Enjoy your new flat. Good night, Tom.
Goodbye, Mia. Take care. See you in the morning.
Goodbye, Tom. See you at the office.
I am leaving the building. The park is quiet. I see the trees.
I am closing the door. The office is silent. I am going home.
It was a wonderful day. I love my job. I love London.
Tom is a nice friend. I am happy today.
I am going home. Life is good.